बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। मैं आपका मेज़बान ज़ुबैर साहिब ढेलू जो है लंदन में मौजूद हूँ। लंदन बेंगाती ऑफिस के बाहर मौजूद हूँ। आपको पता है आजकल लंदन ट्रिप पे हूँ, तो मेरी कोशिश है कि डिफरेंट जो डेवलपर हैं जैसे दन्यूब भी है, यहाँ पे बेंगाती भी है, तो अपने क्लाइंट्स के लिए हम बात करें कि क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है। बेंगाती ने ये लंदन में जो ऑफिस बनाया है, ये क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ लेके आए, ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है। तो ये जनाब जो है वो बेंगाती का ऑफिस है, हम इसमें एंटर हो गए। आपको ऑफिस भी दिखाएंगे। लंदन में बड़ा खूबसूरत ऑफिस है इनका, बड़ा ज़बरदस्त है। डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट का यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हुआ है, जैसे कि बेंगाती जो है ये स्काई ब्लेड है, इसके अलावा तिलाल बाय बेंगाती है, उन्होंने एक मॉडल कार भी यहाँ पे रखी हुई है। और बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट जो प्रोजेक्ट है दुबई में बेंगाती का, आपको मालूम है मर्सिडीज़ बेंज प्लेसेस बेंगाती सिटी जो बना रहा है। आपको पता है, पहले भी आप देख सकते हैं कि दुबई में बड़ी मार्केटिंग हो रही है इसकी। ये बड़ा फ्लैगशिप प्रोजेक्ट है और बड़ा धूमधाम है। मेरे साथ जो है इस वक्त सेल्स मैनेजर लंदन ऑफिस जो है यहाँ पे मौजूद है, इनसे बात करेंगे। हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
Very good, thank you. How are you? Welcome to Benghazi.
Thank you very much. We just came from especially Dubai here.
Oh wow, you're very welcome. Well, we'll take great care of you here.
So this is your premier luxury project, yeah?
Correct. This is the world's first Mercedes branded city and community by Benghazi. So this is one of our biggest landmarks that you can ever see in Dubai. It will be ready in 2028.
2028 it will be handover.
Correct.
Okay, what is specialized thing in this project? Why the name like the Benghazi city and related with your brand, and what is the specialized?
So with Mercedes, we actually had a previous project called Mercedes-Benz Places, which was our completion in December 26. However, this building and project will have 12 towers within it, and there's going to be over 9,000 properties within the complex, as well as a beautiful landscape garden in the middle, which will have lots of different amenities. You've got your pools, your kids' play areas, your arena. So this is designed to be a community for those who want to live a bit more luxuriously, and that also includes.
And starting price here now availability mostly sold out.
Starting price in the UK, we actually have a special offer at the moment, starting for 1.2 million dirhams for a studio apartment. So please do come down if you're interested to see.
And you have special offer for UK residents, you who lives in London, Scotland, Manchester.
Absolutely. We have special payment plans. We also have tax-free options as well, and special discounts just for our UK purchase.
And from starting price in pound, what you want to say in here?
So with pound, you're looking at about £250,000 for something here. But we do start
from studio.
about £150,000 for studio apartments.
And down payment, and what is the payment plan?
Well, at the moment,
The January, yeah.
we especially have for our UK purchases 20% down payment, 20% on completion over 2 years, and then 60% when it's ready.
And I think you have good offers in coming week in mid of
yes.
August. I think
Absolutely.
you have something good thing.
Yes. So this is one of our best projects. However, we do have about 15 other projects that are on special offer as well, which will be studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and there'll be different areas of Dubai as well. So whether you want to be in downtown in a beautiful tower or something more for investment down in Dubai South, we have all sorts of projects, including.
This is good thing. Come here. What about the Tilal Benghazi? It's very,
Tilal, yes.
I think, villa community, yeah?
Correct, yes.
And here is the Tilal Benghazi. तो ये तिलाल बेंगाती है जी। ये तिलाल बेंगाती जो है बड़ा सरप्राइज़ दिया। मैं आपको बता दूं, कंपैरिजन भी कर लेते हैं कि जब हमने देखा कि दन्यूब ने ग्रीन्स बाय दन्यूब व्हेन दे लॉन्च बाय द दन्यूब, ग्रीन्स बाय दन्यूब, so same time surprisingly we see suddenly we see, okay, this is Tilal Benghazi.
Yes, exactly. So Tilal is going to be, well, it is our very first villa community by Benghazi. So we're making something very special. There's over 30 amenities within the project, including a masjid. You've also got 5 clubhouses and the biggest beach, artificial beach and wave pool in Dubai as well. So it's going to be one of the most special projects and ideal for any family to live in as well.
Okay, but let me, one thing is very important here. Here is Tilal Benghazi and the other developer Greens by the Name. What is the difference? Why people should prefer to buy here instead of the Greens? What is the difference you have?
It's a very good question.
Because the client asks the question every time.
Absolutely,
Why I
yes.
invest here instead of Greens by the New?
It's a very good question. With Tilal, we're looking at a more elevated experience in terms of lifestyle, and it's still very affordable. We're looking at 4.2 million dirhams starting price. However, just on a side note, we're actually offering special discounts for our clients that come to this event, which we can discuss when you come down. However, with Talal, this is designed for life. So we are looking at the likes of like other residences which have got the best kind of community. It's for connection, for family. We've considered every little detail here as well, as you can see. Every apartment and building has been designed to accommodate lifestyle needs for each customer. So
Can you explain in one line what is the difference between the here is the like Greens by Danube, he is Talal by Bengati?
I would say this is a more premium option. So this is a more exclusive community. So this is what you're really looking for, that exclusivity, that privacy, safety and security, and amenities as well.
Very good thing. So now, especially for our London clients,
Yes.
you just give awareness to the clients. So who live here, especially Pakistani, Indian, Bengalis, Irani or different nationalities live here, and the mostly who have UK passport, residence here, they faces the problem for buy the property, especially in the London or other states. Yeah,
Yes.
more taxes, mortgage expenses, and too much.
Yes.
But what are the special for them in Dubai in your project, the who live here, and the average people income is no too much. Very rare people who have white collar jobs in London or other thing, so they have no good opportunity. They think about, okay, I will buy in UK one home, two home, one flat. It's too much expensive.
Yes.
What opportunity for them?
It's a very good question. I think this is an important time now to think about where you want to be in your future for your family, for yourself, your career. And this is why we designed and launched Talal this year, because we're finding a lot of people looking to buy, say, London, Manchester, everywhere in the country. You can't buy a 4-bedroom at this sort of price point,
Here.
4.2 million, which is about £800,000 at this sort of quality. So with this location, you're in the best part of Dubai. You're close to academic city. For education, your kids' needs are covered. Silicon Oasis is also 5 minutes from you. So again, this is a great area for business, for development, and with downtown, airport, everything 15 minutes away.
But my question is about expensive and finance system. If
Yes.
someone have earning here like £5,000 monthly salary,
Yes.
so it's possible for him for
Absolutely,
buy.
it's possible. Yeah, we only do a 5% down payment on about £800,000 starting price, and then you
Is
have,
down payment how much? £8,000.
so it's 5% of the price.
How much
800,000.
expected minimum?
So you're looking at about £40,000 down payment,
£40,000 down payment. Okay, and the rest of the amount?
and then it will be over construction for about 3.5 years.
Okay.
So you're looking at 45% over that period,
Okay.
and then the last half, that last 400,000 on completion, which you can get a mortgage just like you can in the UK as well. So a lot of buyers don't realise you can mortgage your property, you can, remortgage, you can take equity out of a property in the UK. There's lots of ways you can finance a purchase in Dubai, and then you're buying the best quality with us, which is, the best amenities, the best fittings and fixtures. So please do come down to the office and see what we have to offer.
So this is good by you, by Bengati, good message for the clients, or special our clients. So one question is very important. We are in London now, yeah? Mostly people travel to Dubai and go there and buy the property, Bengati, even other projects, other developers. Why developer needs in London open the office for accessibility of clients, for easy access, or what is this?
It's a very good question. So we've been here for a year, and we found many of our clients have preferred to work with us just due to the fact you've got a face-to-face contact in London that you can come to any time. We're open 7 days a week, and we do care about our customer experience as well. We understand your needs, being British-based ourselves. So we found that needs as a business to make sure we have this base for the trust, accountability, and also assistance as well, anytime you need.
So what about the special for our clients? Because I came
Absolutely.
from Dubai here, especially
Of course.
buy the tickets and travel time, and the clients already
You'll
here
get
in
special
UK.
treatment, no problem.
Special?
Everyone.
For-
Everyone gets special treatments.
Can you say something? IM Properties? IM Properties here.
IM Properties here. Okay, yes. So IM Properties is here to help you, and we're also here to assist you as well. We'll make sure you have the best purchasing journey with us in Bengati.
So, and special message to our client who have IM Properties client. Come here in London.
Yes.
You have special
So
offers or not?
we do, yes. So if you're in Dubai at the moment and you want to make the most of these special offers, we're here until 27th of July. Please do come down. We'll promise you that you'll get the best offers here in this office. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
thanks a lot.
Pleasure.
Best of luck.
Thank you for your time.
And I really happy here. So this is a good opportunity. Those who live here, United Kingdom, आपको जो है वो जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि आप यहाँ से टिकट कटवाएं, दुबई जाएं और फिर उसके बाद टाइम आपके पास नहीं है, आप जॉब कर रहे हैं, आप कारोबार कर रहे हैं, तो भाई हम आपके पास आ गए हैं। इसीलिए आए हैं कि यहाँ पे बिंगाती भी मौजूद है, दन्यूब भी मौजूद है, शोभा रियल्टी भी मौजूद है, तमाम फैसिलिटीज़ यहाँ मौजूद हैं। आपने किसी भी किस्म की प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में मालूमात लेनी है, कुछ भी करना है, तो जनाब आपका भाई लंदन में मौजूद है 2 वीक के लिए। आप आएँ, हम मुलाकात करेंगे, चाय शाय पियेंगे, कॉफ़ी पियेंगे, खाना खाएंगे और मज़े की इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी जो है मैं आपको बताऊंगा और आपको फ़ायदा होगा, आपका टाइम भी सेव हो जाएगा। अब आपको दुबई जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, यहाँ बैठे बैठे आपकी प्रॉपर्टी ट्रांसफ़र होगी।